Hey guys! So today I will be tackling the rear subframe. So the goal is to remove it, to lower it to the floor, and next step is to clean it. I guess it's very dirty, a bit rusty probably, so probably a lot of work to have it looking like brand new again. Yeah, welcome to the show! One side done, so let's do the other one. Yeah, that went surprisingly smooth. None of the bolts were rusted fast, so I actually think there's some traces of like aluminum paste or something on these, so I think the rear subframe has definitely been removed before, otherwise it would have been much harder. Right. Yeah, not too bad. It's on the floor. Next step, clean it up, remove all the hydraulic piping, all the suspension components, and to see what kind of shape it is in. I don't see any obvious rust. I mean, this car has definitely got some rust protection underneath. But of course, I mean, you can see it's super dirty, but not much rust. So that's good. Because rust fixing is not my favorite. So part of this conversion is to get rid of the old hydraulic suspension. Even though I like the vehicle's handling, there's very limited spare parts for the hydraulic suspension, especially these displacer units. So the natural step is to get rid of this and put in a bit more modern, but still retro, I guess, suspension with rubber cones instead of this hydraulic units. So this one will be gone. These support fed springs here will also be gone. And the units to be installed is over here. So I bought these gas shocks XLG. Here you have the suspension springs as well. And I have like a high-low kit, so it means that I can, with a nut and bolt here, adjust the suspension height, which I reckon will be quite important if I had a lot of weight in the boot. So I can also upgrade these to a bit more stiff ones, which is made for racing, if I find that the rear suspension will be all too loose with added weight. But we'll see if that's necessary. So I should have all the components here in this kit to transform the rear of the suspension to rubber cone suspension. So these pipes here is for the hydroelastic suspension. So these will be gone. And when I measured before, I reckon I could use the full space here for battery modules, but now I understood that that's not gonna be possible because the rear wall of the sofa is somewhere around here. So that means that I can only use this space. So that limits me to put only the half modules there instead of the full modules. Now this was by far the hardest part so far to get rid of. I finally managed to break it loose, but still it's rough. I had to modify my spark plug thingy, whatever it's called, to make it fit on the nut, but now it does. And then this hydroelastic fluid is just spewing out all over the place. Nasty stuff, smells bad. Yeah, let's try it again. Victory! So the frame's starting to come together now. I've been cleaning it a lot with abrasive methods. And I have been chemically cleaning it as well with acetone and so on to remove the remaining of all the old nasty stuff that was on this frame. And now I've been painting it. Also look at this beauty now. It's a lot of work that cannot be seen that's been put into this frame now. So I've been fixing it up quite a lot because it was quite rusty. So I've been welding onto some new plates here at 4 different spots. You can see that it's been mended before. So I'm not the first one to weld on this frame. So you see some old fix here, and I'm not sure about this one. It doesn't look so OEM, so I'm guessing that it's been fixed by someone else before me as well. But that's one spot, and yeah, there's another fix there. Got some fix on this side here as well, and the last side here. Yeah, so I mean, it doesn't look very good, but I think it's definitely durable. And now with the paint on, I really hope that there will be no more rust for quite a lot of time. So yeah, now I'm looking forward to mount some new components to this frame. But I just realized that I have these ones here as well that needs to be cleaned and remounted. Yeah, so I'm not done. It's a lot of work left. Yeah, but at least the frame looks nice now. Quite happy with the result. Yeah, so thank you for watching this episode. We'll see you around for the next one. Please like and subscribe. See ya!